My name is Travis STOETZEL, and my passion is training. Training is on my mind 24/7. I'm thinking of different ways to improve strength, power, agility, speed, quickness. When it's time to train, it's business. It's you against time, it's you against the weights, it's you against you. As human beings, we were born to be athletes. We were born to run. We were born to lift things. The way a lot of guys train, they're on machines, isolated exercises. That doesn't work. You need to train like an athlete. You need to train the body like a unit. Low carb, high protein. That doesn't work for everybody. Everybody's different. Attack your eating habits like it's a lifestyle. I want to help my clients online, my clients in the gym, bust barriers, build confidence, and get ripped and jacked up like they've always dreamed of. Serious athletes, police officers, military personnel, firefighters, their overall success depends on their physical fitness. For the serious guys out there looking to get stronger, more explosive, leaner, and meaner, you can get instant access to my Lean and Mean Blueprint. It's a muscle building system with 3 different highly unconventional workouts, complete with secret videos designed for the hardcore guy that wants to get totally ripped, shredded, and jacked up. For a free copy, go to TravisStoetzel.com. That's www.TravisStoetzel.com. Live aggressive, get strong.